Today is July 31st and it is early. Right now it is 8:53 and Lindsay and I are waiting to take the little shuttle to go to the water park. We're gonna go on the lazy river, zip line, some slides there, so we're looking forward to that since it is a hot day and can't wait. Here comes the waterfall.
We're about to go under a big one, guys! Oh no!
Going down the water slide. It's so good here. Whoa. Right now we're exploring the little kid section. Whoa.
I know, it's super cool.
Oh wow, the bucket just came down, the big bucket. Going on another slide. Woo! Whoa, this is so fast! Oh my gosh! This is so fast, oh my gosh! We just got done from the water park and we went back to the hotel, took showers, and now we're going to eat some snacks. Going down the elevator. We're waiting for the elevator. Elevator track. Floor 1. Lindsay! Okay, wait, let's see how it goes to the lower level. This is a bad sign. Just press 1. I think that's the idea. We should not go.
Yeah, maybe.
Because I think it said going. It doesn't matter if it's going down because all of them are down.
Oh, was it going up then?
Why would it go up? Stopping here. So now we are driving to the mall. Hi, girlie. And we are going to see the mall. And then we're also going to get lunch, maybe at Rainforest Cafe. It's been forever since I've been there, and I cannot wait to go and see. Here's the Rainforest Cafe. We're in Rainforest Cafe. We're eating at the Rainforest Cafe. I got the barbecue cheeseburger. What'd you get, Kitty?
Wrap.
Portobello wrap, and Mom also got a burger as well.
Yep. Yeah, that fits.
And right now we are at the Target.
We've never been to a Target in Texas.
I know, our first Target in Texas, so we're gonna see what it's like and what they have. And we're looking to get just some water and some snacks, right, girl?
Mostly water.
So right now we just came from Target and we're going to this shopping center. We're going to go to the TJ Maxx, and it should be interesting to see what kind of things they have here. This is my spirit plant. Return the car back to the rental car place. Get in.
Sure, let's do it.
Do you have any departing words for this car?
Yeah, I sure enjoyed driving here. I was nervous at first because I said, oh, it's too big. Oh, I'm gonna just can't drive it. I'll be hitting everything in sight, but
You came through and you did so well.
I had very good helpers for
Aww,
directions.
so sweet. Parking garage. look at filming this and you can see the front of the car. Zoom, zoom. Bye, rental car. Hello, goodbye. Run. Goodbye. Drop the car off. Okay, so right now we just did our first Uber. We got it all situated on the phone, which was a little bit different.
We're waiting for Mr. Muhammad to come. He has 4.9 stars. We're very scared. He's 6 minutes away.
This is our first time using Uber, so we have no idea how it works. We've never used it before. I know many people have, and so we'll see how it goes.
We're kind of sheltered. We've never been to an In-N-Out or a drive-through Starbucks or Uber.
So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we'll make it.
5 minutes away. We can't shut them.
So we just got back from the Uber, and it wasn't bad. Muhammad picked us up in the car. The car was nice. It was comfortable.
It was a nice car. He was very neat. It said, please shut the door gently. Keep your feet on the ground.
We made it safely.
5 stars.
And he didn't say anything to us. It was silent the whole way, but...
You got here safely.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
So we made it safe. We are now getting pizza to go here. It's really pretty. The lights are up, and they're going to take reservations because it's too full. So now we are leaving, and we are going to pick up the waters, some snacks. Yep, and pick out our table so we can eat.
Yes. And by the way, I just want to do a little disclaimer. A lot of today's vlog has been us eating.
I know.
But that is not everything we do.
Where do we go? Wait,
this way,
I'm confused.
Yeah, let's just go this way. So, we have been doing a lot of stuff. We've been walking a lot. That's why we're like, we're eating now, but yeah, that's the disclaimer.
Look how pretty it is.
So pretty. And tell them about our crystals. They're stones.
Stones,
Each
yeah.
individual to us. And right now they're currently charging under the moonlight.
Yep.
So we are really excited for you guys to see them.
And different stones have different
properties.
Powers.
Yes.
Wait, this way.
I don't know where we're going.
Yes, I do.
Oh yeah, we're right there. So, yes.
So we'll show you guys our stones and what they do.
We love the stones. I love like all that stuff. So yeah, and tonight is the double black moon.
I know.
So we gotta look out for that. Hopefully we can see it. Bye guys.
Bye. So right now we're going on the elevator that doesn't really come down as much.
I know, this is pretty rare. We've never really been down here. Look at it.
Oh my God.
Look at it. This is one like opportunity.
Oh my gosh, this is a different view from here.
I know, this is the elevator where people get stuck in. Shaky one.
Okay, we got the water. Now we're going to head downstairs. Yeah. Night views.